Namaste dear readers. Happy Sharan Navaratri. On this auspicious day, we will be chanting Gayatri Saraswati Stotra, sung by Kashyapa Rishi. In this stotra, both the deities Gayatri and Saraswati are praised together. The whole stotra uses the Dvivachana, which is used to refer a pair of persons together. This is a very beautiful stotra. This is found in the Setukhanda of Skanda Purana. Let us chant this stotra now. Kashyapa uvacha Chaturanana gehinyau Jagadhatriyau namamyaham Vidya Swarupe Gayatri Saraswatyau Shubhe Ubhe Srishti Sthityam Takarinyau Jagato Vedamatarau Havya Kavya Swarupe Cha Chandraditya Vilochane Sarva Devadhipe Vani Gayatriyau Satatam Bhaje Girija Kamala Chapi Yuvameva Jagadhite Yushmad Darshana Matrena Jagat Srishtya Adikalpanam Yushman Nimeshat Satatam Jagatam Pralayo Bhavet Unmeshat Srishtira Bhogayatri Saraswati Yuvayor Darshanadadya Kritartho Bhavamasu Vai Mamadhyapatakan Muktam Snanatirthadvayetratu Svikurvantu Munisreshtaha Brahmana Bandhavastatha Itah Param Papakritye Mame Buddhih Pravartatam Dharme pravartatam nityamayameva varo mama diyatam bho mahadevyau nanyamicchamyaham varam. After chanting this stotra and praying to Gayatri and Saraswati, Kashyapa wishes that may his mind not indulge in any sin and may his mind be fixed in dharma always. That is the boon he asks, and he says he wants nothing else. So this boon, which was wished for by Kashyapa Rishi, can be taken as the Palashruti of this stotra. We will also be blessed with a righteous mind, and we will be stopped from indulging in sins, even in the level of the mind. As we know, that is the main prayer we do in the Gayatri Mantra. Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. One who impels and influences our mind and enlightens it.